Utkatasana, your feet are together, big toes are touching each other, palms are on your hips. Slowly you're going to bend your knees, push your hips back. Good. Stay there. Spine is straight to start. Now make sure, how do you see where your hip is going back? You look down to your big toes. If you're able to see your big toes, perfect. If you feel that your knee is coming too much ahead, you're going to push your hips back. Nice. Breathe. Come up. Let me show you the same posture with the side view, what we're talking about. Okay. Inhale, bend knees, Utkatasana. Good. Yeah. So if the knee is going ahead of your toe, too much pressure on the knee. Keep pushing your knee back. Good. Feet firm. Think of the thighs pressing each other. Lengthen your spine. Breathe. Tummy in. So you sucking your navel in to exhale. Stay there. If you feel your back is good, reach your arms in line with your ears. Nice. Breathe. Yeah. Slowly, palms on your hips. Stay standing straight. Perfect. So one thing that I don't want, a lot of times you tend to arch your back. Yeah. Idea is to lengthen your spine. It's okay if you can't go too low. Lift yourself up and make sure your spine is straight. And then you reach your arms up. Make you think of not sending your arm down, keep lengthening your arm. So from your hip till your fingertips, it's one straight line. Yeah? Slowly come up.